Hi everyone, it's JV here from JV's Tech Tips, and I'm here in the glorious location of Land's End in Cornwall on an absolutely fantastic Tuesday afternoon, 2nd of May 2023. And I just wanted to do a quick video showing you my Nikon P1000 rig. It's a fantastic little setup. So we've got the Nikon P1000, we've got the Neewer 7-inch, I believe, monitor. It just connects into the side there, leads a little bit loose, and that sits on top of a Manfrotto MVH502AH video head. Sturdy as hell, very heavy. And you've got my Manfrotto tripod that I've had for years and years, rock solid. Again, weighs a ton, but you know, does the job. A pair of binoculars for spotting sea creatures and the like, very important. And we've got a Rode mic, just fits in there, and we've got a small rig arm the mic sits on, and there's this little gadget here which I believe I bought from AliExpress that just screws into that bit there, and then the mic screws into the top bit there. Ulanzi, a couple of quid from AliExpress. The monitor I got from AliExpress. The P1000 bought a couple of years ago, I think it was Wex in Norwich in the UK, and that's about it really. And it really is a fantastic setup. Oh yeah, one thing, there's also a remote control that comes with the P1000, which is a really good tool to use, but the only problem is if you've got the monitor plugged in and you're using the monitor, it must interfere with the signal from the remote control, because the remote control doesn't work. So therefore you have to use that there or that there to actually zoom in and out. So I did try and contact Nikon, but they haven't responded. So if anybody knows a way to use a monitor and to use a remote control at the same time, that would be very helpful. Failing that, if you need to use the remote control, you can just use the monitor on the back, which is great, but I like to use the big screen. So that was it really. That was just a quick video that I wanted to do, just showing you what I use on a fairly regular basis when I go out filming in the glorious county of Cornwall in the UK. That's the helicopter landing pad for the lighthouse, all the way over there. So it's pretty good. I think there's a bird on top wandering around. Yeah, looks like a bird. Yeah, so that's extended to 3000mm optical. I generally don't go beyond 3000mm. I can usually capture what I need to film within the 3000mm range, because anything beyond that can get a little bit pixelated, but it's there if you need it. So yeah, that's pretty cool when you think of this camera. I think it was about £1 or just over £1 when I bought it. Obviously the sensor is I think it's the same size as a sensor within a smartphone, so it's quite small, but the quality is pretty darn good really. And obviously you can tweak things in software afterwards if you need to.